Hi, my friend. Big welcome to you. Let's meditate on creating abundance in our life. First of all, make sure that you're feeling comfortable. Sitting, lying down. Let's take a few deep breaths. Inhale deep. And exhale and feel that your body softens down. Your head relaxes. Your mind softens. Your jaw softens and your tongue. Your face in general are soft and relaxed. Your neck and throat, torso are soft and relaxed. Your arms and legs are soft and relaxed. And you're feeling that you can breathe to the whole body, feeling the whole body with fresh energy, with fresh oxygen, and exhaling and relaxing tension back to earth. Again, let's take a deep breath, visualizing that the body is stretching out like a balloon. Exhaling and relaxing. So in order to be abundant in our life, to have abundance, we must be connected to life. At least that's the way I see it. That even you have financial abundance, material abundance, a lot of things, if you're separated from life, you don't really enjoying that abundance. You might have a momentarily enjoyment, but immediately the mind will go to the next thing you must have. So true abundance can only take place when your mind is soft and relaxed, and when your mind is completely satisfied with this moment. If you're after just material abundance, to have a lot of things, so this meditation probably is not for you, and that's perfectly okay. But if you understand that most important and the most important abundance one can have in life is the connection with Source, is the connection with what makes everything and what allows everything, and that complete satisfaction of being, then that's the place for you, my friend. And my personal experience is that when we are connecting to the Source and we're aligning our spirit, our soul, our mind, and our body with Source, then we have all type of abundance in our life. We feel happy. We feel good in our body. We have enough in the material world. And life treats us very well. So let's learn how to connect to the source of abundance by being able to connect to the flow of energy that comes from Source and moving through us and gives us life. For that, let's visualize our central channel. So this is a channel of light that connects from our crown to infinity. And through that channel, we get nourished, we get fed by the life force. And just say to yourself that I'm inviting to be supported by the life force of creation in my physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual being. I'm inviting the life force of creation to support me on a physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspect of my being. And just relax and surrender to that nourishment that comes from heaven into your being, and feel that your body is harmonizing, synchronizing with Source. Next step is to acknowledge that nourishment that comes from Source doesn't come only from the crown or through the crown. Actually, it comes from everywhere. The whole creation is here to support you in being the best version you can at this moment. So let's visualize that we are like a reverse sun, meaning that all the power of creation is entering into our being from all directions. So the nourishment is immense, and this actually causes us to be what we call a normal sun, meaning that we receive and also give light. So the moment you nourish with so much, automatically, by default, you want to give it back. It's natural. So you're transforming into the brightest sun there is in the whole creation. And before we're moving into manifestation, let's make sure that we are completely harmonized. So let's cleanse any blockages that could hinder this manifestation of abundance. Let's first release energetical blockages. Connect to your heart chakra, the center of your chest, and invite your heart chakra to synchronize with Source. So you can visualize exactly like when you throw a stone in a calm, pristine lake. Waves of light are moving from the center of your chest to all directions, and your heart chakra expands and expands and expands until it occupies the whole creation. When your heart chakra is so expansive, so infinitely wide, it will only be able to support you from love, from unity. That's how the universe operates. And once you're in love and unity, you're talking the language of creation. Let's move into the second chakra, which is below the navel. This is the chakra of creation. It's a chakra where the creative power emanates and manifests from. So I'm inviting my second chakra to expand and to assume the size of the whole creation. And again, waves of expansion are moving from the center out and out and out to the whole creation. Then we're harmonizing solar plexus, which is the center of self-esteem, where we don't doubt who we are and what we are and our movement and direction in life. So I'm inviting my solar plexus to expand to the size of the whole creation. And last is the mind. The third eye is where the thought processes taking place. The frontal lobe of the mind, of the brain. And I'm inviting that area of my brain to expand and assume the size of the whole creation. Again, those waves are expanding and expanding, and you feel that you are all there is, obviously. Good. Now, in that infinite expansion which you are connecting completely to Source. From that place, we're creating. So, just be very clear about what is number one priority in what you want to create in your life. And remember that energy is what guides matter. So thoughts are the first building block, and then from that, energy moves and transforms into matter. When the thoughts are clear, then you create a reality that can manifest. So my suggestion is that the first reality will manifest is the reality of peace, unconditional peace and unconditional love. That whatever we're creating next is not conditioned to our ego. And if it works or doesn't work, it will not determine how we're feeling about ourselves, because we are already in peace and in love. So we're creating a being, an existence of peace and love. Unconditional. Complete satisfaction from this moment. Again, this moment is completely unrelated to anything. It is perfect as it is. So if we condition our existence at this moment, when the mind say, I don't have this and I don't have that, then we're losing the opportunity to be in complete peace and harmony right now, which is unconditional. It's not related to anything. So just feel the immense peace of this present moment, of just being. This is most important because this is your home. That's where you're coming from. That's you coming back to. That's home. Okay? And now we're moving into a creation of a dream that you really want to achieve in your life. So have a very clear image of what you want. See it. Feel it. As detailed as you are in the experience right now, as if the building blocks for that to manifest are materializing. Be clear, see it, feel it in your whole being. Smell it as if you're touching it. Beautiful. So again, I would like to summarize, because this you can do anytime you want, but the prerequisite for creation is the unity with Source. So first you're uniting with Source, you're harmonizing your chakras, you feel that you are all there is, you are the source from which everything manifests. And then the first creation is the creation of peace and love. And then from there, you're creating with a very clear image whatever you want to manifest in your life. Blessings. Have a beautiful life. Thank you.